integral under root 1 plus 3x minus x square under root minus of x square minus 3x half of coefficient of x is 3. So add 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Last minus 1 is this one. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 1 dx under root minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 LCM minus 9 minus 4 under root minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 4 minus 13 by 4 dx. Write the constant in a square form under root minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 13 by 2 whole square. Multiply with this minus. రూట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉందమ్మా, మైనస్ ఎప్పుడు బయట తీసుకురాకూడదు. మల్టిప్లై విత్ దిస్ మైనస్ అండర్ రూట్ 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Apply this formula. A square minus x square equal to x by 2. A square minus x square. A square by 2 sin inverse x by a. We apply this formula. A square minus x square. So x value x minus 3 by 2 by 2 under root a square minus x square. Write as it is. Root 13 by 2 whole square x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Next, a square value 13 by 4. A square value 13 by 4. By 2 is this one. By 2 is this one. Sine inverse x value x minus 3 by 2. A value root 13 by 2. Root 13 by 2. 2 LCM 2x minus 3. 2 LCM 2x minus 3 under root 13 by 2 whole square x minus 3 by 2 whole square 13 by 8 by 4 by 2 by 8 sine inverse 2 LCM 2x minus 3 2 LCM root 13 2 cancel. Last step 2x minus 3 by 2 by 2 by 4 under root 13 by 2 whole square x minus 3 by 2 whole square 13 by 8 sine inverse 2x minus 3 by root 13 px plus q into px plus q into under root ax square plus bx plus c dx equal to take px plus q equal to capital A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B where capital A comma capital B, capital A and capital B are constants. Or suppose given this one integral this px plus q replace with this one a into d by dx of plus b by ax square plus bx plus c dx. All of you listen. Replace this px plus q with this RHS. Split into two parts. Capital A part is one, capital B part is second. So capital A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c ax square plus bx plus c dx plus second part with b 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. This is a part, this is b part. First part, that means a part, always in the direct formula, that is this is f of x, f dash x, f dash x by fx log mod fx. First part is over. Capital A into this is f of x. This is f dash x. Log mod fx. First part is over. What about b? This is a type 1 problem. What is the difference between type 1 and type 2? Type 1, 1 by. But in the one place there is a function px plus q. So b part becomes to type 1. Okay? A part, direct formula. Suppose there is a root function. We apply f dash x by root fx. That is 2 root fx formula. This is f of x, f dash x by root fx. We apply 2 root fx. So first part is always direct formula. Second part is type 1 problem. We apply the type 1 procedure. Type 1 procedure, that is the procedure. Write a problem. Plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. Take the formula px plus q equal to capital A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B x plus 1 equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 plus capital B x plus 1 equal to a into, take derivative formulas, derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 3x 3, derivative of constant d by dx derivative plus capital B x plus 1 equal to 2ax plus 3a 2ax plus 3a plus b. Next, equating coefficients of x in LHS, x coefficient 1, in RHS 2a, so a value 1 by 2, equating constants, 1 equal to constant 3a plus b, substitute a value 1 equal to 3 into 1 by 2 plus b 1 minus 3 by 2 equal to b, 2 LCM 2 minus 3 equal to b. So b value minus 1 by 2 plus 3x plus 12 dx equal to a value 1 by 2, b value minus 1 by 2, by x square plus 3x plus 12. All of you listen. Split into two parts. Split into two parts. A into d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. B part minus 1 by 2 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. This is f of x. This is f dash x. Of into log mod fx. First part is over. Write that one. 1 by 2 1 by x square plus 3x half of x coefficient 3, that is 3 by 2, plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 12 dx plus 12 dx. X square plus 3x plus 2 minus 1 by 2 a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 12 minus 9 by 4 plus 12 off into log mod. ఇది చివరిదా కంటిన్యూ అవుతున్నాం. ఇక ఈ పార్ట్ చివరిదా కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. 3x plus 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square 4 LCM minus 9 plus 48 log mod x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square. This is 38 by 4 39 plus root 39 by 2 whole square one by 2 log mod x square plus 3x plus 2 1 by 2 into, we apply this formula, 1 by a tan inverse, write in the rough, 1 by a tan inverse x by a 1 by a 1 by a tan inverse x plus 3 by 2 root 13 by 39 by 2. We apply this formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a So final answer of log mod x square plus 3x plus 2 1 by root 39 LCM 2 to cancel, LCM 2 to cancel, tan inverse 2x plus 3 by root 39